So this is the logo of our app Adopet, and if I click on it, then I'm redirected to the welcome page, which has two buttons, one for login and one for register. If I click on register, I'm led to the registration screen where I can sign in either through my email and password or through Google. To sign in through Google, I'll simply tap the Google icon and it leads me to this page where I can enter my email. Right now I didn't enter anything, so there was an alert. Now to enter your email and password, you can just type in the email field where we have a special keyboard with the @ symbol so the user can enter their email correctly. We've also added certain checks to ensure that the user is entering the details correctly. So if they enter some invalid email, like a phone number, then an alert will show up saying that the email address that you entered is invalid and please try again. Now if I click the login button, I'm led to the login screen and I can enter my email over here. Now I'm led to the menu page and I can see that if I click on the sidebar option, that my email appears at the top. So this is the menu page of the app. Here we have 4 categories of pets and we can scroll through them. So these are the dogs. You can see the cats by clicking over here, the rabbits and the birds. Now I'll show you the various pages of our app. So this is the sidebar, and if I click on the home page, I'm led to the home page which we just saw. Then if I click on the adoption request page, then I'm led to the adoption request page. Currently we haven't made any requests, so this page is empty. On the favorites page, the favorites page is also empty as we haven't liked anything yet. And then we have a why adopt page where we just have some information about why one person should adopt. So we can read that over here. Then we have an about us page which just displays some information about our team. So there's me, Srishti, Lasya and Rosalia. And now on our sidebar, if we click on the Adopet logo, then we're also led to our about us page, and same with on our menu page. If I click on the Adopet logo, then I'm led to the about us page. Now I'll show you one pet profile in detail. So this is Hedwig. So if I click on Hedwig's pet profile, I can see 3 pictures of him. I can switch to the next picture by tapping on the current picture. So this is the second one, third one and back to the first one. The information that is displayed is the name of the pet, the location of the pet, the gender, the age, the breed and the weight. We also have a picture of the owner and the owner's name and whether it's an owner or a shelter, and a description that the owner can write. Now suppose that I want to favorite Hedwig, then I can click on the heart icon. Let's favorite a few more animals. Let's favorite Peepo, which is a shelter bird, as you can see. And let's favorite Willow. And let's favorite Soba as well. So now if I click on my favorites page again, you can see that all the pets that I favorited have shown up. Now if I don't want to favorite Hedwig anymore, I can click on the heart icon again and Hedwig is removed from my favorites page. Now suppose that I want to adopt a pet, let's say Moose, then I can click on the adoption button. So an alert pops up saying that we'll notify the owner that you're interested in adopting Moose, and an email is directly sent to the owner. So if I open my email, then it says that srishti@email.com has requested to adopt Moose. And now you'll see that Moose has also appeared on the adoption request page. If you want to cancel your adoption request, you can click on the adoption button again and they'll send another email saying that the adoption request has been withdrawn and it will disappear from the adoption request page. Now we also have a provision of searching for the pet that you want by breed. So you can type in the breed here. So suppose I want to search for a golden retriever, then I can just type golden and Marshall shows up as he is a golden retriever. Now suppose I search for a pet which is not in our database, like a beagle. We don't have any beagles. Then it will just say that there are no search results. So this was the demo of our app and you can log out by clicking on the log out button. Thank you.